All right, so next up we have the saddle stretch, which is another awesome way to increase the length of the quads, increase the length of the hip flexors, and obviously improve the health of your knees. The reason why it's so good is because it is an outer range stretch, meaning it crosses the knee joint and the hip joint, depending on how high you drive your hips. So to get in the game for this one, we want to see a med ball under your lower back, and then hands can start to go overhead. And what you'll notice here is if he drives his hips up, he's going to increase the length across the hip flexor, also increase the length of the quad as it wraps around the knee. To make that more aggressive, increase the intensity, we just take away the wall ball. Probably start with the elbows first, chill out there for 90 seconds or so, drive the hips up, squeeze the bum to increase the intensity. And if we're feeling it, we can just relax back there for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So this is more of a passive loaded stretch using gravity to increase the range of motion, or we can get into more of an active range. So pretend this is hanging around a rig, and what you're going to do is try and produce force throughout the entire range of motion. It's going to be an eccentric load on the way down and concentric on the way up. And now we're forcing our body to produce tension as it goes through a larger range of motion, meaning we're going to be able to produce force in the end range and have healthier and safer knees.